Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia C20 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to find the sound option. Now let's scroll down a little, tap on advanced, and as you can see here we've got whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the first and the second option because we've got these options divided into between two SIM cards. We can also change the sounds for notifications and the alarms. Let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone, and as you can see, after tapping on it, we've been transferred to the list of available ringtones from which we can choose. They are defaultly installed here. What's more, we've got none option, so after picking it, your device won't notify you about any incoming calls. And at the very bottom of this list, we've got also add ringtone option, and after tapping on it, we will be transferred to our own files, for example, downloaded, and then you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to those options, and let me, in order actually to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it, and obviously let me volume up this device, and now volume down a little. And thanks to this, you will be able to hear the particular ringtone. If you're happy with your choice, all you have to do is simply make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is notified right here that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. And of course, you can change the ringtones for all other options the same way. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Nokia C20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.